In this video I will tell you how you can get 90% discount on vidIQ. So to get the maximum discount, you can just go to my website. I will provide the link for that in the description, and here you can go to deals and go to productivity tools, and here you will see vidIQ. You can just click on this button and here you can create your account. So here you can see I have created my account using Google. You can just create your account and you can click on upgrade, and here you can choose any plan. So for example, I want to subscribe to the boost plan and I can change this to monthly, and I can apply this promo code. So the promo code is think. You can click on apply, and here you can see you can get this plan for only 4.90, and if you want to get the pro plan, you can just click on this and you can turn the annual plan off and you can apply the promo code think, and you can get this plan for only $1. I will provide this link in the description, so you can use this link, so I will receive a little bit of commission as well. So that's it for the video. So like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thank you.